mugeni itongo ikara ase studio bagoteba ng'ana nde mugeni ekirachire tukumwarigania senchira ibikiranu indo chegaiga oikira kurunga Duke Ombagi niga kurigikirwo kyo governor ase county ya Nyamira no ara ase studio tigandara mwali bagara gukwa ni monchu muriga kyo bwakire wakire bia biore
biande kabisa
Nyamira biere
na gokire bwana ande ko ngarika rero tukwanira mangana Nyamira anoma etenga mochoko to yuya lakini we'll keep talking and now streamline na ebintu toganyete chinga kitu chike tobe ko mochoko
Nyamira watebanga mochoko to yuya mochoko kwana ese enchira abantu bagasite chinyombe enchira abantu bakorolekana gose
abantu baitombi abare abantu baitombi abagajete ngubo choko boborai
mochoko boborai na abere ngokorora sama tukabwango sana ase county ya Nyamira bagote big rounds ngaki bintu bire.
No, we are eating the ground.
Ground mugende te kuli.
We are consolidating.
Okay, buruka.
Toke burukani mpaka mwananchi amanye nga there is an alternative government.
An alternative government. Tekero ko bagu kwanere igoro alternative government ukwana ne yawo
county.
Okay.
At the county level we have an alternative government. At national level we have alternative government.
Okay.
Lakini focus bono mbegetari Nyamira nyo ilikoro kinga wananchi nga it's possible to tuare serikali ikokorera wananchi gaza.
Koso watore gabu litangani kabisa batete kumanya Duke Ombagi nga yakuru kokorra barabande badeyo na buranyore bakororire gosendi ikagusina yebirero no rero muche mwanyora libaga mwakwana no mwananchi ekanisa gusimusangire kanonde kurabe kwa roberi batete kumanya Duke Ombagi.
Duke Ombagi no muiboru Nyamira ekenyoro Kenya ngarangania ward ya Samaru West Mugrango constituency nche nonko egerande obwene wanyama wao mwenyabantu ogo keep accountability tuasokire tuasomere ntumaete te rights cheito ngai chingani ntumaete nchi serikali ebwente gotokorera na ndingita ebwente gotokorera igo I feel very uncomfortable kirongora abantu baito batesire ne chinyororo chobukurumi chobotaka tutagede to serie tobune want to break that chain.
Okay. Egure watebire nga igento gekogera obwate ereganke nese nchokora abantu batesegete kulende se mambia bono iseko bagukurigireria se gazeti igentega nekeroro gegukwaneru nigoro ya Azimio coalition elia yariko bagikoragwa na Nyagusira Raila Amolo Odinga bone koragwa na Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka na enganene neroro nelinga bali bakorukwa ababwatani gose bali barase United Opposition abande barorekane ko twara amagandi gochiase coalition mineyo abande bagatebese nyencho ye history coalition ya chetega ekabuguchikura no morayo mukoro Uhuru Kenyatta gatete mogende ne coalition gose bagende ne coalition kekora kora ndiko bika chenga ya Jubilee. So I believe that is it. Alafu nabo igo nindo chega iga yo kabiro muri kemo ne bwigia magia Jubilee okurukunga Jeremiah Kioni nere ngotebale nchumanyete igo na asereti gukurwa sobora yese nchekerenga kiakera nare ko banko genda ndonsi Fred Matiang'i was my business.
Yes. I want to go with the Moraringa. Coalition, this is not the first time Chikoba formed. And in any serious election, there must be a coalition. Ranking at what the 2027 election, there is no single candidate who can run on his own. Abwe Kasongo. So we are prepared for a major coalition. And onye koroje coalition is favoring us. Like the Asmio, we are taking over Asmio now. Because to believe Ngwaro Jenga, who was signed in,
but
we are finding a way.
A party leader.
Live about party leader. You know, party leader and
it's
the
president.
It's
not a small thing.
Of course, it's not a small thing. Being there, party leader, it's just it's holding a space for our son. So, Ngwaro Chomonto admitted gari is Fred Matiang'i, Munya, intentionally Mondore go admitted gari Fred Matiang'i and watch. He is going to be the flag bearer of this coalition.
Kero kwana flag bearer ya coalition yeyo lakini yise koligerelia bintu birabu ya bimanyerera imbirabu ya maega y'umusangirekano bwazimio jita si chiroro.
When something is new, there must be jitters.
Azimio telinkani?
No,
partners baratoke barabageni buna bono JB Muturi na boigo Rigathi Gachagua. Abande bonsi they have been around ba supported Raila Amolo Odinga. Buna bono Peter Munya.
Peter Munya, Raila Odinga is not there now. We have not had a Azimio presidential candidate. So what we are looking at, we got to admit, Monto the indigari is Fred Matiang'i. Nande Orocho Monto, a patron ya Azimio Ningo, is the former president, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. And Uhuru Muigai has goodwill for Fred Matiang'i. So mucheso yeto ko nywaka ngora 90 minutes. So in all means we are going to use to ensure that our son you telling me now in this Azimio who is stronger than Fred Matiang'i? Now that is a member.
Abana baruna basacha.
Yeah, they are men. All of us are men, but we are looking at
say dinga agenda takurichibese gochiase yokoro kwa Edwin Sifuna.
Yes.
Senator of County of Nairobi.
You know, I cannot confirm that. That's a rumor. And I like Kwanda facts. Politics, anything can be spoken about. On the day of proofing, I just Sifuna, I've seen Sifuna go Changel. And in politics, we have organic pricings. Jikoba received in any way, anything like Okonyora, someone is has tend to be very popular. That's the law of nature. It can give us a leader like that.
Igorona boli tribo ligeteli yalenge critical sana. Yale go kwanera igoro yokwagachwa kwa okoligyo buraibwense. Mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i kuachira activation ya SH meeting tia yao kora kumera naba na inchi. Commitment ino yo wakora emekutano teyo bagoteba. Unless muigo monto complain ria segete na limoko anda buno bono kera muspati guru glory oruba kwanete igoro yakuria ntwaro chomurai Fred Matiang'i ko gendoro na bono mubwate taro yo kwandabu. So Jubilee order of events no emo chando berete.
No. I want to tell you, let our people calm down. I want to ask Glory Oruba that with all due respect, you are more close to Fred Matiang'i. And in any time you have an issue, you don't need to come and shout on social media. I know Mondora can Fred this in your one too. Because when you are coming to cry on social media, lamenting on social media, it's not building Matiang'i.
Okay.
It is destroying him.
Okay.
So I want to urge these young people and leaders who are close to Matiang'i. There is no solution which will be solved in social media. If you feel like me, if I feel like I've had issues with Matiang'i, but if I feel it, if I feel something, okay, in politics there are issues. I would not like to say them here because we handled. Yes, because I know if you have an issue, it's very reachable. You can call him, sort those issues.
Okay.
But if you see someone coming and trying to
okay,
we don't encourage that.
Tiga gabano mheshimiwa tagete toranyore nkwana ya muswati gurukunga Angela Mbito gatenete kiombe kia Infotrack elitwabete to twagotegera litangani ngakichi county chikoretie mwancho murigere performance ya county mbabegete chi county gali bateba chi county ngakichi collective ya eliye collective ya eliyo tunyara ko batogotegera mu director ne gagenda to bakakora clip ikonye twagiche sire sesemo ya magazeti mwancho murigere akera twa batogotegera chi county 25 chingiya asemambia bono Duke Ombagi ontebiri ngoli gyaro uburayibu ko chikoba umugavana bwe county ya Nyamira turara rende nganga kichi county chito chikoleti sikubwatekana na kili yotebekana noroboti ro info track mwanchu muligili semambia bono ekera tokoba tokurigereria na koranga chi county chicheito future ya enga yere ngakikigende takoba chigokora lakini ekera toganyete mu director itanyore clip ekyo asemambia bono Mr. Duke Ombagi kwa beta kwategerete statistics chia Angela Mbido.
Yeah, I follow. I watch news and sometimes they are not very accurate. There's some truth in it, and Njiro Chikova Chitariko reflected the real image on the ground.
Okay, tigataraigwa mwancho muligili enkwadi.
We've looked at all those functions. So who are the overall top 25 counties? Number 1 county, a second time, is Murang'a County with 54%. Number 2 county with 52%, consolidated or overall index, is Kiambu County. Number 3 is Trans Nzoia with 50%. Number 4 is a tie between Elgeyo Marakwet and Homa Bay at 49%. And Kisii and Uasin Gishu. Hizo zote number 4. So number 8 then is Makueni with 48. Tharaka Nithi is also number 8 with 48. Alafu we move to Kericho, Kisumu, and Nyeri at number 10. Those are the top 10 counties. We clap for them. Then moves to Embu, Kirinyaga, number 13, with Kwale and Nandi, Taita Taveta, and West Pokot with 46%. We then have Bungoma, Kilifi, Mombasa, Samburu at number 19 with 45%. And we have Lamu, Machakos, Migori, Nakuru, and Narok at number 23 with 44%. Those are our top 25 performing counties as of 2026. The top performing county is Homa Bay, tying with Kisii at 49, and then we have Kisumu at 47. Then we now share the top governors, is it? Yeah. Is that the next slide? See, now we've seen how the
kero kurigiria bu go chande na ndete ndara korokia abuna gakibagoteba performance chi governor chi county ko igure Kisii county igere na mbainye bwate tai ase chi county chiri chi akolirwa ya sensengima Nyamira teyo aso chikoba gukurigyo borai poigo nyichega iga saba governor bali bagotebekana bakolirwa ya ase gazeti ya The Star asemambia bono umugavana na mbeya mobebe gitabwa kurunga irungu kangata bagacha bakabeka umugavana ukuruku George na tembeyo bwate 52 na masemia babegete Kimani wa Matangi ugo kaba aseli baga ya gatatu libagali ya kane nigaro umugavana ukurunga Gladys Wanga oibo mabe boigo toche Mutula Junior Klonzo nigaro yo Makueni boigo umugavana ukurunga Wesley Rono nigare Rotich mwanchumulirili Wesley Rotich igaro mugavana bw'Ens county ya Elgeyo Marakwet tukamago ba tugutwara mugavana bwe county ya Kisumu Anyang'nyongo tobaye tukuruoro tocho mugavana West Pokot kurunga Samuel Kachapin na boigo mugavana bwe county ya Kisii okurunga Paul Simbarati na mwelio mwanchumulili mugavana okurunga Jonathan Lele bwe county ya Samburu kero kurigiria bagavana abuna obaligo ase umugavana bwe county ya Kisii alese enamba kenda abana bona bagavana bali barubiri bagotebekana bakolire emirimo emiya ekera okoboka bono mampia buna a candidate ere hopeful ngano chikoire kirugo kyobugavana ase county ya Nyamira ngigo chase birengera bya kubwatekana na robot rwa info track.
I can agree with Rungu Kangata, the Kiambu governor, because I've been there, I've seen, and but the rest there is some.
Ngoyo begerete amabuli mane.
You see, like Naro Chibawanga, Kisii County, Nerentanga near Sokuru corruption. So we want to understand. You know, if you are fighting corruption, that means you are making a lot of recovery. chipesa chirichigo sira chinyinge chia kolrek chia tokri kiro chia tokri we expect through a massive development so ikiro the ikiro kurwani is nese yeria mangana on papers because we want to ask ourselves when you rende ba they are number one koba number 1 in the whole country we correct ground na chibesa jirchia gasire nyagitari woniga chia correct etauni itemesete ebinto bya koriru but where is this money chiko barika bari chale corruption
iko asoroboti ready for track no bwa teliboli go chia county ya Kisii
yes they should tell us
kuligere libo igo Mr. Ombagi county ya Kisii ngetenera twaro cyo mugavana agakoroberia abantu kiro montaro kyemirimo yaya gukora
okay onye inere injire yo kurwani but we want to see corruption is not about parading people na corregas yo kora we want to see na what in corruption okay what have you achieved what in corruption they don't tell us onye gekarega no nyaribo mabrende mukia banga bantogari ate oge namba 1 goraki
yatwirane yaragwate garachi county chimero ngebere na isana na aro kwa bekire liboli na se county ya Kisii na ndo gwatabire chishu chia onchiri oligereti na bere gokorwa kwa ndese county ya Kisumu Anyang' Nyong'o no are one of the best performing governors.
Yeah, you go to Kisumu, the county is very clean. You can see. You can't compare Kisumu and Kisii. You know, Kisii we are supposed to be number 3. Because we are central. Kisii county are well positioned. Ego serve revenue jiji county renga. Kisumu, part of Kisumu, Omabay, Migori, Nyamira, Narok. Igo enchirerire central positioned. Edinabe yaikire bwenete wetenera revenue yayi. As we speak, abanyagitari Kisii aba government, naze aba government. I think. So what are you telling us? You are a number 4 in what? In the papers. Tell us.
Okay,
let me tell you one thing. You see in Kisii is where graduates bakwe wiki abuso. Wabekirwe abroad. Ngabantu bakotorecha. You see those are our young people ngine legacy were created.
Amangana ali kazi ni kazi.
You know.
Oga change liko rwese brengeli. Pata emirimo ni emirimo.
Let me tell you. You cannot say kazi ni kazi when we take our children to school. Ayo mwibori, you have aspiration ikiro wetikana wakane fees umwana wende university. You expect umwana anyorega singia esoke byanga wesoke yabeke su atare nakagari bono babere converted babere jabro instead ba otara negari ba otane kiabuso. You know, we want, that's madness.
Okay.
Ega sieri kwa kusepara, let me tell you. Onye kuteta abantu bakwa genuinely, abantu bakwa buchepara, bakwa kusepara. Abangi nambara ari kinyoro. Bataje school kwa buse para qualification yotage. Kubwate ki era buso kana wetiga, you don't need any qualification. Onye kuteta kwembawa abantu baito diyabangi na bari bayichikas. Abana abatige, give them, create industries.
Okay.
Kisii Portals. Eya sere tukurugari.
Kalibona yagende se tenya ya umheshimiwa Simbarati.
Yes, we expected it to Simbarati area when the kwanda holding a key. Closing a factual of that nature is destroying our people. Onango call any recommendation yanyo thinga serikali yonya yakorta magoso. You know, you go and make a deal na bantu abatinga ke magoso na akoreka nete. Let's come put that factory recover na baitu.
Okay, wakwanire Kisii ase obwagale. Wataba kwa mugavana bwika bwanchira netese record ese list yeye wataba Anyang' Nyong'o na boygo wataba Irungu Kang'ata
and Kimani
wa
Matangi. If you go there na bokorra
ngiki kwaro ryo bakore
tinyagita yari mu sachuri agachire para on the ECD classes abaremi injira ko ba empower ko ba ebiju. He is doing a lot in the ground.
No nyanki siye mabera naro Nyamira rungoli nero. Anyway, twara kwanira ndatambuka bono so Nyamira county yago. Kero kurigeria ase ranking yechi county emerongo 25 Nyamira te yandos.
Yeah, Nyakoba. And then I didn't expect it yebo. Ikegera there is nothing to show. Into umwa Korean uchesa nse. Bichu maribo etindo. There is nothing you can show. How would you suggest you? Yani no abampataro mbeka will cushion what thing again. This one is fake because on the ground there is nothing to show. Even tako and road and here mpesa ajiri kwegolekera ya fundri no amnye wetakwa tamagasi ya manene akwigora. World Bank ya be craving to be abogari na bya komnyoka na igoire. We want nyaribo tsoko do tebinga. Mwako yobere serikali from 2013, the oldest serving in devolution. Ate benga rero na chire borabu moroche factory na begera omwire borabu mutenga rihange ento wakora ta abatara ditko igimana nda nyora ne kemagote. There is nothing omwire kitu masab mote gawan tarango manga stadium ye
arakiri soko okomochiko libugango sana wise kuligereria kubwatekana na infotrack ngo kwana yale ngiguru ya disbursement chibesekera chigosoka ku exchequer okonyoru wechibese ko ngonyori kuri chi county government gwikirania okonyora amagendero igento kende bari gukwana no bukurumi igento kende bari gukwanera priorities.
Yes.
Okonyora chibese chibekira se development esi county chonsipi echikoleti echinde chiakoliri buyasa mangana yobochenu lakini asorobotiuru ndoli buyasa echi county chonsi asa mangana yobochenu.
Yes.
Chinyingo konyora chibegete listing yobochenu ekalego se namba
one keroto gukwanera devolution why ya chete devolution ya chete chibesa chicha kabire Nairobi ya chigende binoro kinyoro kyange goroko nyansi mwamu gari chibesa chiri abangi na bari bachikerari dari chiajete chibe komonto yo mabe kingipin iri billionaire iri muri yoke counting kim no chibesa chiri chiajete so that enyaktari iri ino kenyoro gari etware abakori emeremo dispensary iri kenyoro etwara mariogo yani umuntu n'urwara w'ububembo tukonu tuvwati turiko kuboa oko iri nyagitari eri washugulikerwa onyege kobembe kwa makoba ubo babobe kwa magwari fad ibindi ni ko kana bire account ya Nyamira oko enda dispensary kwanyore watchman ere otinga ndango ngorigeri ya kireko nini
ya joking. Never kwameli you are joking.
It's true. I tell you what's happening there.
You are joking. Abanya gitari mbali Nyamira.
Bararadi. I want to talk about a program nere ya L2 what?
Universal Health.
Yes,
community health workers.
You know Nyamira more than 1,000 of them. Do you know how much they paid?
Of course nimba nyagandiri chiri busana babwe.
No Nyamira bakwe guchiri wibere umutenyi.
Serikali ngurwire 2500 na account ya menta chiri wibere na 100.
Chiri wibere. Nyamira has never paid.
Who are your sources bagwa te magana?
For 1 year. Akadebanga ki abantu ba Nyamira nyumu abana bitakora akongainere. Have you been paid? They have never been paid. Yani abana abantu okoligazi 2000 account wakana ekiro wake sabo yinga 2000 divided by 30 days irengo igweta okorere litko. Let's talk about ECD teachers. They are paid worse than umuntu okoregasi oboreri nyumba. I was told they are paid around 5,000.
Around say obwate.
Yes, naro chaba complain they were on media na ande bakari kwenda mali banachua.
Social media no banyole ba.
No. They were speaking. Those were ECD teachers. They cannot lie.
Okay.
Only the lie we expected the governor to come and respond. He has not responded up to now. He contacted the Motebinga at Chaya ECD teachers. These are very important people. And then go back to the workers of Nyamira. Workers generally Nyamira. More chandekle for long. There is no motivation for work. More go Nyamariga. I'll make sure that workers are well appreciated.
The promise was in
No. I've been in government. I've worked as an employee, and Narenkas Okoba paid in time. You see, the governor doesn't care, and that's why.
Exchequer. Use kurigereria egati ebintu bibago kwaneraga igabikogera kigavana kinyinge kikonyora ubututukano wotekeranya magendera nesinje.
Oh no, let me ask you. You'd want to talk about Ichikonyoro. Ichiro, what have you done with them?
Okay.
You work accordingly.
Wanchumurigiriri ngwana yabona mbambe na koibule nigotole no yokuliye kirgo kyo governor kwa wase county ya Nyamira ogurukunga Duke Ombagi. Duke, you have been say frontline yokorolekana como mochumo governor bwe county o Nyamira county ya Nyamira mheshimiwa Amos Nyalibo asama tukamange sana. At what point kwa change tyo mulindo bwo como mochina kuyonchora kwaba eganga yokuliye obo governor bwe county ya Nyamira?
Bono, I want to tell you, I'm tired of much. And Ekerokonya complain doesn't offer Monto Tariko. It has proved beyond doubting, he doesn't care. No complain could pour and so complain, there's nothing has changed. Bono, Ntokonya Korrario Kariokanga, counting Bovere. We must come and offer solution.
Okay.
That's why now I'm withering Monto Takariko Gunando master game in Jeraco and Donga in Avanto or Donga in during election also Kichiba Sajito. Onari the people he has been running against, they are the same people. Bono nama Jeraco Baka Chikarato over Yerinse, over Tega over Karansi.
Okay.
Bono is going to face.
Okay.
A young person. He has never run against a young man.
Go na tole ko tete segi ye chikobagi kurwadwa oteba tana kogenda aumira ne young man na ndaba sai na bangi bali kuru ase county ya Nyamira chetire 55 maige chinsa biro mwanchu muliri indo chega iga ase bali bagenda takabago tuma chimese cyabo kagirete mheshimiwa chimese chingona gocha chirete gatorara nganingi kili bakabago kwa na sense melia yo mtandao kira libagali atokire na batokonyara kabato kurigereria chimese chinga kichigendete kwa bachikosoka lakini kira togendete gukwana boigo Mr Duke wakwanire sana gwatebire kwa mochiri yabagabana sana watebire nga chinga kichikire bono tutagete ko mochia gutageta kwenda cover leadership konte bikwalenge you are a young person yandani statement ya young person.
I want to why Nyaribo, you know, it's not comfortable to run against young people. It's very comfortable to run against old people. Ona atlageta umirane ne nyambati. Atlageta umirane na wao Timothy Bosire. Atlageta umirane na wao Ben Momanyi. Anda umire nandengo abo kioma.
Ayo manyata abantu bali bugira bali kebura.
He want because you're narire. You know, these are whole dogs. He knows how to.
But rinde mataba saina obago akachikura na basaina obako bakugulia baraya abandi
kwa no as young people to abere to complain to te bango orayo bonobo be orayo bokoraiga Nyaribo change tabia unembe njiro kuri ibintu mbogara tiga kuri ibintu byabana inchiga
ejinisi accusation chingo nsano manyete na tayawo kwetete
it's in public domain molete mambisa ransaite te onye kaigwete mbobe he will not come onye how feeling na I'm accusing. Let him take me to court.
Okay, bono gwachire yes. Bono mugavana gwa kwanire oyorobisi. But mbata ete komanye kirenga kia Duke Ombagi nkiriki.
Yes, we kana kwa nombe bwa emayo badindu byane. One, I want to tell Nyaribo the level of corruption in Nyamira ere mpesano. Example kemu Manga Stadium ya riro chipesa chomo Nyamira almost 200 million. Okonda ninchengende nkoro mukutano Manga Stadium mugari. And I want even to ask the governor and Ataro aligereria bolinga 200 million again take na gachirengere what that stadium tebu at VIP stadium tebu at any enata exit yani yagachirenge petrol station
lakini wono
you know 200 million what can you do?
Yes, but Mr. Duke, on the Bwens Nabako Mochi on the Bwens. But Bono Nyamira is struggling because on the Bwens you go to Tete Kolimo Governor, Koratika Sinin.
Oimokire, Gadiana, or the Mangana and Model. Oimokire, Elio Nitigate and Chera, or the Chiba suggest stadium Netching Ansu, Ongani, Nado, Chile one say, I want to tell you, and the advice and again. Even the kwa manga
koratika twakwanire mugavana kwa mukwanire kwa muaccusing but Duke you have been accusing a governor for the best time na mkomanyire na ande kwarolekane as news paka boninge kira wachite ko launch vision yago na magania uyu chikurigyo borai Munyamira na araria yes na bara ikaransanchira nengarere bintu mbiriko korekana bya Nyamira lakini atete koigu Duke utaliko uragie biara atete koigu Duke okorwe solution.
One, this is what I want to do for Nyamira. Egas yobo governor asinde nega sire rais. Governor wente cross chipara. Noroje. Chipara chito 90% ejirande governor. Makori ndi mali asimo weta that's the governor. Ekiro chipara chire chingia wasoro fue mechando y'abantu 50%. Ekire parere ngia omolemi nabakonyara go ikengeri ya echiro. Ekire parere ngia abamura bari bayike ba boda ebamenyite chigarage every day. Ekira kwa ndojimari bigbi yabunire kurende menyara yonde tanya kwa ndojikenyoro mari yari ne bigbi yiwa kinyi kurende. So ekiro chipara chire chingia abaremye bawe kibintu byabe chiro in time accessibility eko baraisi so onye kuwa fail gukora ibintu chipara cheito mugabana akandaka gora tractor agateba nga tractor chibono mochi morore chipara nga chikomeza it has been 1 year down the line correct taking Kenya wika Kenya rukiane and we pay tax we deserve to tractor chikora kocha chire. Devolution, you are supposed to empower the contractors. Contractors, budget, work tendering, fairness. You encourage young people work tender for this opportunity.
Chibes chigo cha Nyamira echire 6 billion again to you.
Yes.
Wakwaniri gore ya transport.
Yes.
Allocation yago muno uligereti umanyanga no bwatari current. Nero abantu bali bagakora emirime count bachi ukobwatisi.
That's okay.
Barorongo chigwaka no bare ese chibali cyo kwagacha nko bikoli chitaya ase chibali cyo kwagacha nko rolenga kwanyole no nyana ase chigoso achia park chia buguli abantu Duke, are you prepared?
You see, when you get the right people, competent people, one, we have very incompetent. I don't know if they are incompetent or they don't.
Most of them abande na baba uchikomera na barabu abisi. Babande babwate existing contracts. Abande babwate terms and employment chiabo chiko bala babese county.
We will train them and tell them how we are going to work. Because I've never seen executive otende chipara kago chanone kinyo yita akora assessment nga kichipara chagachira. Under my administration, the chief officer is the accounting officer. This is someone who is supposed to be in office. A minister at roads, you are not supposed to sit in office. I guess you are noko inspect. Kwa mayanga ichipara chimbe. Kwa kuwa na abana inji. Tadi okonya gosomenga siti na konywechae.
Kwa ligere infrastructure plan ya Nyamira bonika kwa res bike bagachira chipara bakiri.
It is very confused. Initially bakareta tractor chiri bagatebanga uno tractor chigo tara chiwodu weta baikire
atiya chiko chiagacha
baikire batire
ngakiya bono chiko chiagacha
no governor
yes bono to past nyalibo eye ochire mu governor nyalibo ochire ka ngakiyo chiko chiagacha
chipara will do tendering very fairness we very fair free we get qualified people qualified and qualified. So my work is to pay these contractors in time and supervise their work.
Okay.
When I'm going to empower these people, college parango bakanande in time, chibeza chiri chiko cha Nyamira. Ekirega baneko na yago every rector yabeke deal ya iro 20%, every rector bikwa metari. Problem ya Nyamira is not about tractors. Just tractor monte yo complaining ero tende tractor ya body.
Okay.
They are enough.
Tigaturwa bono. Ese transport kwa kwane. Toche sense ya mikuru ku pre-primary education. Aswa kwananga kulengana naye wataba chiripoti chigote bimbali gwa kanubya. Abali mumbara aba ECD. Bali mumbara aba batakire ko bakoligilia bana kibagosoma. Yes. Nechi polytechnic inchiroro chibinyuru. Akyo chikoba go chikoko.
I look at the TFET actually have a vision and a mission. You know, the difference in Ninche and Nyaribo is one. I have a vision. While in Nyaribo I have a television. So you'll be watching my vision in this television. I'm telling you, we have KMTC Nyamira, guys.
No muraibu insenale te vision. Kilo montra wakole te vision, lakini vision ye go actualize.
So I want one, I'm going to work with the national government. We expand that KMTC so that every sub-county to a rep branch ya KMTC, so that we can train as many nurses, as many clinical officers, so that running nonye Nairobi gaiga just sub-county nchipugati KMTC. Yeah, because they are government.
Gento tubugate boniga, gento tubugate negento yikuru kwa TVET
institutions. Okay, when I'm telling you, I'm going to deal with health issues.
Kire kinyoro kire tabana babere ba ya KMTC because ma te KMTC kire ko strategic go be kwere bintu mbire
because our
structure neroro netakire umanye nga kiabana bacu ko bagosoma bintu ne bingi netakire.
When you compare listen, it will be a problem. No, it will not be chaos. I've seen this happening. If you go to Ombagi, there are so many KMTC there. It's not one. At least every constituency has got a KMTC. And why I'm encouraging...
Ombagi?
You go to Ombagi County, go Karajuonyo, go to... They have. Do your research. I want to tell you, I want to encourage that. We have shortage of medical. Again, take it to Tuaranga, Abana, Chiwochman, Okotoke Kiare.
Chibese Chuchkobeko Chikwegeli Abana ase KMTC. Ngitachire nyagitali chigora Mariogo.
Why I'll encourage young people to take medical courses? Because we need to have enough staff in these health facilities I'm going to create. The problem we have is the health facilities to Bugatega Nyamira. We don't have enough staff. If we train enough, I'll be able to have an agreement on how we are going to have this our local children. Then even we'll have surplus.
Training might not be the problem. The problem is hiring. Ekero mugava na kuligilie keganchonyora gento ngisa inibiya igo kwanyora bono stress ilinga abantu abacha kunsaba chibesenga incha kurusi. That could be the problem.
You know, let me tell you, if you read about Cuba as a country, they are developed because of education. They trained as many doctors, as many nurses as possible. So, when we are eradicating illiteracy, you know, we have so many resources. It's only corruption takes a lot of money. As a county to Nyamira. Abantu mparaba wakanu batari wakoragazi. Literally they are paid for doing nothing. So when I talk about ECD teachers, abantu bago koregazi kororekana. You see, we must create enough budget yabantu abo. Yani, you know the problem ne ringa mpaka chibesa chiabo is not that they are complaining nga musarobo okobutoro okoibuna abantu bare. They are not getting what they are supposed to get. So we need to know So these are the mess we are going to clean. About agriculture.
tiganche so oburimi yes oburimi oburi default ekera kwari kurigiriryo robot rwa infotrack ekera bari goteba chi county chinyinge chia bekire chibes chiabo asoburimi chire county ya Kiambu county ya Kirinyaga county ya Makueni ekine county chiri chia support ya barimi kuba anonye ni chimbego bachiko bagosimeka chinyeke chigosimeka bande babere bako support nonye ne murubiri bukuru bachinswe naboiga ekinde chikonyara kwa bachikonyora umurubiri yokonyora no ni chiombe chikonyara kwa bachikoigwa amariogo egere nchibasa konyora umuchando mu Nyamira natate kuigunga kyo chikobaga wakali miribyo.
You see farming and if you consider climate kitonye Kenya Nyamira na Kiambu we are well. There's no county where the climate kiangi Kenya Nyamira we kiwo support yo baremi. So obori governor to tevingi wakolero mulemi since you get office
bono do talk about bono do
Ombagi, you know, let me tell you one thing. No matter thing Kenya kinsu chikoriye kunyamira, let's say for echikoro mabe chinde chiaru no in China
into matoke ngogenda also
so no matoka aria tari gotokonya
ni chai
echai ri tari gotokonya abani mbaite njira ba okura you will not agree. I'm going to which trotwara abari mbaite baso no chichi ebirube bitubwate Nyamira tubwate birube bingi sana. We are going to encourage chindani nga kitobeka chindani. We make sure nga chinsu chikoriye ku Kenya chinyinge.
Tugora chakire
County nga ki
Nyamira chirariyo gori tangani. Maete no nyene kera mweshimiwa Mwai Kibaki alingo muraibwense. Kera letete umurubiri yo linge bwo kuri chinsu maete bantu ba central bali kuri insu. Bali kuri yabake sana.
Yes.
Bagachaka fish farming akabatebye nabeko bachibese. And then finally nowadays, you say kuri no ni chinsu chinde to kuri chikorwa Mount Kenya.
They come from Mount Kenya as much from China.
So,
oh no, let me ask you. Go set and done. What does it cost the county government to think every community as a kirubokere go set to ndani to buy finger lingchiri babeke in 3 months baanzire kogesa. So that our people are so idle, babuga the resources, babuga to when but they don't make use of it. So we are going to empower them to train at least chinsu chikoriye kunyamira, chiaru nyamira. 2
set uko train yoko. Get no le bagale te bachi workshop no moko beka chibest.
No, I'm not going to do those nonsense. It should be training for real and there must be an output. A minister in charge, a land scheme, you have been in office 6 months. We have done this project. What have we achieved? 2, those are gone days. Our kids are these are Alpha. You cannot punish these kids. What is doing punish? Because Erongori is substandard.
Have you tested it?
Yes, I went to one school when I saw across in Babuati. And that one you know, we don't know where it came from. 2, I'm going to do this. Okay. And Mavera will come from our farmers. We are going to encourage our farmers in a market in area. We'll buy milk from you. You go onye chimbeko chirichire quality tuoya tuaccess yo moremi ozbekire nyombengia twa mwaka mori kamuri yakugakina wanza okama mavere tubwa kumwasa ujikoni mavere okoleta watu on account we pay you instantly.
Okay.
Inari wa promote
igo assume tichi bese chikuruga se government simultaneously chigo chichao chwakana.
No, we'll create we'll have money. There's enough money. Actually, we don't have any shortage of money in Nyamira. The shortage we have is leadership na akili. 2, ntobuhate potential yo create factory agro processing ebinteka mnebinga matoke we can ntoko nyago tobiri toke twari litoke likadi pime debinte binge na we cross with chips na we cross with wine when you the wine yes. So we need value addition. Even the at least amabere we can have a converted na bako be yogurt so we the yogurt ndenge mpika ona mabere na le yogurt ndenge rose mabere. You see, now we are going to make at least
Ombagi beto kororeka na korosibo governor kwa mimire mimioro. But it is a complex job.
Let me, if you are corrupt, it will be complex. But if you are genuine, I'm not going to look for no, I'm on there to liberate our people from poverty.
Wanchumulili cha butokire komine sana ibire kwa muigu radio Ombagi bunagenda tekobagago kwanaga igase studio na ndamano bikire kirenga kia yote bire no chikurusia abantu asobo takabuli ya yote boboere nabo igo ebichara na efichara byae da ndete ko ibeka gujibosio koraga umugavanoro kurendo mwanchumulili tigandara bwata chisimi ibire sato anyora muntu naro tagete kokoboli liswali asema mbia bone namba itegere 0788666663 umugavana obwe county ya Nyamira otagete kochikobaga choru no araga igase studio na boigo nabo kunyara kwa bakurigeli turarachi message chiri chia soire egera tuganyete chisimi chichiche dio kibono go wachi go utomurira manifestas pogonga te basenge ncho yetama yogo etakira obonene nogo kuma nakyo gekogera chinkwa na chire kurende oyo mobo nache koegwa etigiti yokoligia obo president oyu no mweshimiwa manifestas pogonga gukwanera igoro ya kwalibale asasema yazimia wakiro montata etakumi Innocent bwakire motebyo mweshimiwa bora itali mochieso kwegure bunago batebire ni gondoche akomubolia libolio okumubolia libolio gendao tali koiraneria boikiranu. Okay, manwa kurwa ikonge ateba buraimbuli gosoli.
Ando banyariyo.
Okay. Soko bwagire buya.
Njempita motoka ko ruchucha.
Nkama
ngabwa so mweshimiwa bwana. Bono li ndege tani ndato tu mweshimiwa mbiyamo na senge njai mana akwane. Lakini ave reality.
Okay.
Takwana mangana bosa. Ushikulie libuna kuwa na Kiambu County jeno omenyete. Wa matangi ga imuka akabeke gento geta se media ngagete mwabirora unanki akorere se Kiambu County. Bintu bikorekana sukuru na chiagaje chipara na chiagaje bintu bikorekana. Ngamana kweburi tukeringa ki ngara ligeli manga ya ito ngara ligeli Nyamira nga inki oso mugaba no itera rate nari tukeri mate bega bona cheko koro kinde gina akore ngento kike korra se Nyamira oise kuriya lidina kwanda bwino sentie kara mweshimiwa bago chabuna babulinga mangalia no nyedichi security light yuka ye para tiye korregara na sinini oise kuriya chiro ya manga nere nkuru evento gotwari chiro enene yugukumi lakini mweshimiwa mugabana kitana gotara mangalo yangikero egeti ekyo mweshimiwa teba oise kuriya egeti ekyo nekie miaka abantu bakarure nyansa baja kuminyokere egeti ekyo lakini inkia na kobuliye libuwa ingigere ndendo kororo nale kubuli mweshimiwa iga ngakiara tokonya saga para karuete salia seberamire tengenyi mpaka gaike manga aso visio yo county ko kwende salia berete manga yalingere ni muti kabisa.
Okay.
Ngo request ga kara sonya sa mwajira sonya batolgiri gente tangane security rights chipara bato seri iga kiambuzi kuri paka bakuri ga bekire paka security rights tabatari.
Okay.
Ingi kusiga ijibe chitu chiguchi.
Okay, asante sana.
Tigantigera.
Okay. Soko bwakire oyimutuka kuri.
Soko bwakire buya.
Bwakire buya ningo to kwanerese mambia bono.
Oyimu kwana na pena dia unga ko Kajiado County.
Mr. Unga ogendete.
Yande kwaneli mugambi dio Ombagi.
Na mukwani.
Mbia mono sama kwa.
Oye ndo mugambi akwaje kwa na mangana maya. Ndoro le kandide ko bono muntu manyete reality okinirete Nyamira County. Ebinta tebire bintebye ndara ko muboli orore kandide ka bwate bidi sana. Kago tara na matiankera lituko yani ko bugana nero ko bugoli ka ko kerike besira kya matianga tebete. Mika kandi kia vekire se ngenjo mutuma nungo jawali buga bo bugoli kanu ngakiri party eko kora nomination. Taba sako tibuti ko mika kandi kia vekire.
Okay, asante.
Thank you.
we maswali ya inika tunaenda tukuyabwatia soko bwakire okay koira na bali lakini tikadara ro nande message neregaiga ya rukurwa ase county ya Nyamira igorunga build from Nyamira ngwaneli Ombagi na okwaniri motebye no tole amokomokomo honorable Duke Ombagi is bringing the hits liberera lyo linobegete no chana ko chiumu governor the vision ekerenga na kikiogenda go share and the leadership conversation Nyamira needs. Keep the cameras rolling. This is a leader with a message, a vision, and the courage to speak for the people. Change is coming. Wabere wo kwa nabantu. Manyakwira na ndebwete. Oyagurunga buildad. Na iguru kali kurunga the people's governor is life. Mr. Ombagi.
Yes, somewhere.
Igento kia boli kugaiga magana yo kwa no CP igara abechira
abantu washo abantu banyamira inche miaka ya nenemeke enachire ntumikira abantu I've turned 35 years now. You go ase miaka ya ne I'm realistic ebintu ngo batebi na obyo korekana.
Okay.
Tigango tebi ekero mtu arenge governor ya
Machakos.
Ya Machakos. Abegede chirami chipara chiri chon speech kwenda Machakos. Bono where did he let me it's not impossible no Moscow asa kwa na yari manka erami eriko koro. Kwani abandi bakwa kaje chirami kiambuga chipara chiri standard. One, let me ask you, if you have proper brain enkaki ya change poni gachi pare chirikido chikonya kwenda makori ya secretary yoka we are supposed to make chirami gadi we do everything when shongebe serio munyamire god ya korirega serio wente okora.
Okay ushwedi na ndeti gadara kubuli swali ndindirali ya buli kwaroreka nubwo yatekerenga lakini party politics igole Jubilee na ugo tara no mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i.
No, ombia, tima hitinga na ponkare korrekana ninche ondigo tindi close mo no mheshimiwa Matiang'i, but I support him 100%. Igano butoro ko kwa ni amanyinga kuru awite ba Matiang'i.
How close are you?
He's my presidential candidate. He's my presidential candidate and ni musikete na ni matenga yeye ni kifaru hapa juu na mimi ni kifaru hapo Nyamira chini. So I talked to him. Matiang'i no muntu wata maskani no muntu gotekera kero muntu. So njeti ngwanza ku akake kuba I'm so close to him. He is close to everyone actually. On the day ya bwata bwanjeringa.
Okay.
Yes.
Soko bwakire.
Soko bwakire bya.
Bwakire bya ningo to kwa nere semambia bono.
Nje ngoro ku rekodo biero.
Rekodo nga yoberete.
No ande Nairobi rakina wange ba maite bunaga kaka ya aspiring MTA gesma wote.
Okay.
Nambe moti anda kwa nyu mheshimiwa, he was my classmate in Nyambale boys.
Thank you brother. I wish you well. And the bagis no bakoegero.
Aide assembly yoko genda.
No ande dota kwenda atikwambele governor. Wana ande kumobole maswali ya beroka. Nambe mo ntoroje for the first financial year 2022-2023 na 2024-2025 the fight and the rule ya lenge Nyamira to wata chi counter assembly bede era kuno mugaba na kera wata gochogo na kya wata kuenishwa nga gende kinga ya korro kana senga chongi asere kya magendero sana kware ko bole monto kyo tara korra magendero ote abanga esenga chongi assembly bede ntu igwana ine namba ibere nje kuna aspiring o gesma ward ndaita ko so specific. If today omweshimiwa Duke Ombagi wachori no mugavana abantu bagisima mama mboga na ba muraba kwa chipigipigi ngweza bale metando sana ya owakanira abana babaje school fees bakoli abana je school na abana abo bali kuchikonya olemere project kiye ere bunu mugavana abo chikobeka in place to ensure that mama mboga oyo na boda riders batire koponyero abana babo.
Okay.
Again to give Mario. Governor Ochori lero bono to 2027 no governor Nyamira County. But 2 years later ali araisinga maybe omweshimiwa agakaka yakagesima ngara letera abantu bagesima maje nande maybe bara ngara barote chipara and now what because if the now what kids that maybe 100 million in cash. What is this project? Ara korera abantu bagesima kwenishwanga banyolera maja ya nechipara ekyo direct nya garamata kwalete na maybe yororo nyalizo. Aina maswali yanatoka. At least to understand it, because as an aspiring governor, it was the 20 wards, of which Otakere was Mato Manena, because limits and they were an area, Rio Maneye, Yamayaneye, at least one from there we can be able to get it.
Okay, sawa. Thank you sana agake akaya kurwa seke wodi ya Nyamira. Amine wodi ya Gisima. Yemono sana. Tatendole yo moelio nere gaiga ikuna gocha na bere ntara. Soko bwakire. Wakiri bya.
Uko na wizira dem.
Wizira yenga yobere to bono.
Yesa mocha pipeline na pipeline stage. Sina kuburiga. Ono omo yo tena na wata ngote na ko Nyamira ka to boga bana. Ngira kare kya wa to jodo nyari wa tara akora bya mosinyire. Awu jibo ikira.
Okay.
No one again me gya na guru kya jo pire wa tena kiga bana wasini sana Aspirant wasini ko. Ngo jo ko pera ko boga bana ko se bara ba.
Okay, sawa.
Yo ando ko ko kaber. Vya da vitara ko. Hello.
Okay. Wewe unaero bwa mwalingo bwata. Soko bwakire? Okay. Nindo chega iga chimessage yakire ane nchenkoligie na arole abantu bataite gukwana naye.
Keep engaging our people.
Na arole abantu bataite gukwana naye ntaite korora bali bagendete ko bagateme. Ntaite ku request mo director ne amente chite kaibere chuka. Egere tukure naye abintu mbire byakire gaiga utakire ku respond. Taite oligerie kamera yago garia kero kwirene rio Munyamira agotegerera biya kwara kwanire bintu mbire gwatebire gaiga buna nakoigure lakini amabwo nara assembly ye current ya twalite chinga kichinyinge sana chuku musanana.
Yes.
Igakira no ene bintu biri byatakire gweti kubikabo mu chando.
Yes.
Mpinto kibyo urachikoba go wakole tofauti ngakyo chiko unite.
One, the governor you must have wisdom. Ekyo igavana nyariba felt worokia. One, ekiro divisions chire kamneria chire county, we want to divide a county okora siasa ngotware abantu ba MC bago anande naba kero kende bande. We don't want to be tintaje to our leadership kamneria. I want MC ya colleagues yae ni governor colleagues yae. The problem to buate ni CMC currently chiko serve, they have failed to do their mandate. Instead your colleagues yabo ebata to bachiguni che governor. Ebata to bachi proka che governor.
No. Majority bali gukana ebintu.
You see, if the governor was
like in assembly yengi muma to accuse.
I've said some of them. They had the mandate MCA is to all the governor. You see now, at the close now, it's not you to be proximity to the governor. You are supposed to be close to your people on the ground. The governor is supposed to no friends. You can be friends, but when it comes to working, no ninchengo sababu antwanya mira. MCA chibwa the high Q. CMCA chikongola accountable. I don't want nangchwe protect the GMC. I am not entertaining that. The MCA gacha koredama and I love goodwill because you talk about partiality. I'm not going to entertain corruption. You know, most of these people, if you are corrupt, you'll be on problems always. Because you'll be fighting for your life. If I'm not corrupt, I'm clean, I'm addressing your issues, where can we disagree?
Okay. Yes. Governor, karuange nkona yawe yo mweli geko erago kwa juru bodo tigango teyuda message kwa juru.
Mbiyamona abantu banyamira nande ngo basabera kinga kingororo chikambi njigenderete ngo basabera ebisubye chikambi ko bwa monondo bwa segment tuga ya 2027 we have one golden chance koldim which in our leadership, our failed leadership. I'm ready to work for you. But actually, I have a very good idea. Nyamira County, is this the first time to West Africa body area since the devolution? I'm going to ensure piped water to every household.
Okay.
Which is going to create many employment.
Okay, asante sana.
Make sure mechukua kadi.
Owe, kwa kwani rigoro kubugulie kadi na ndebono kuri Jubilee muri abange sana. Ikine kinaye bakokubuli.
Yes, we want to ask everyone we want everyone to run on Jubilee, and we ask our people when governor ile kioski yako funga kuja wewe kama mwanaume kuja tupatane hapa nomination nikupige uende nyumbani mapema. So what we are asking, we want free, fair, credible nomination. That one we are not going to compromise.
Asante sana. Biamono sana. Mr. Duke Ombagi asogo chasi gitaseni gitogia nsoko TV ase twabere tugosanga naye ase dream yago na nemono na ndogo cha kwao nigo kwali ngoku ya ekera twali ko batokurigeri ngakichi county cyabere kigokora mbiamono bali mu akesimi onya timbugo litina asabiro kwabera senche biro kurende litukoli yankyo na nde ntumirane asomuro bilibwe nsoko bwa kire litukoli ya alamis elitonyara ko batokoranga ningi kilikende tenche nguru Innocent Nyango kwa niaba yake kostwale ko batokubwaterana na kiro kyo nabo igo yo minto twali kubwaterana Diana Ndemo kotenganya site gakurende twara litukoligia asogota chabagoroke nabo igo kerabuga gorokire na ayo nyare ko bagokwa umuntu uri utabwatikende kujamono.